Hello children, how are you? I hope everybody fine. Today we will discuss mean, median and mode. What is mean? Mean in statics we are calling and average in arithmetic. Maybe you studied in 5th class average. Same only in statics we are calling average as mean. So what is the formula of mean? Mean x bar denoting the letter x bar equal to sum of all observation. Observations given, you have to add the observation and divide it by how many observations. Okay, example, weight of 7 boys given. 7 boys weight given. You have to find the mean weight. Mean weight x bar equal to, first you have to add the observation, you will get 350. How many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 children. Okay, divided, you will get a 50 kg. That is the mean of this data. Try it, find the mean of first 6 prime numbers. We will try it to find the mean. Okay, try it here. Find the mean of first 6 prime numbers. I written 1 to 50 numbers. After that I taken prime numbers. Prime numbers meaning exactly 2 factors, 1 and number itself. And see which are the number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are the prime numbers. Mean x bar equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. How many numbers? 6 numbers. You divide it 41 by 6. You will get a 6.833. See like that 3 going on. Then you can 3 upside you can put a bar. Bar meaning that number is repeating. Suppose 2.63 bar. 6 and 3 having bar, that meaning 63, 63 like that going on. 2.63, 63, 63 like that going on. After decimal you have to read each digit, not number. So 2.63, 63. C and 6 and 3 having bar, that these two digit will be repeat. Suppose 5.7 bar, that means 5.7777 like that repeating. Clear? Okay. This is ungrouped frequency. Now you clearly understood what is ungrouped. Ungrouped meaning individually you are taking the observation adding. Grouped meaning you are grouping the numbers. Okay. We will check it the grouped frequency, how you will take the mean. That formula is mean x bar equal to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus etc. fn xn divided by f1 plus f2 etc. plus fn. While seeing this formula you will feel little bit difficulty, but not that much difficult. Children, what is the meaning of this? Is called sigma. We will read this sigma. This symbol is called sigma. What is the meaning of this sigma? Summation or addition. Sigma fx, fi you can write fx also, sigma fx divided by sigma f. One example we will discuss through you can understand it. Try it in book 1 here. See, try it. Column given, variable and frequency. Here grouping, variable, frequency. Okay. 3 times, 12 2 times, 13 1 time, 15 2 times, 16 2 times. Value and frequency. This is x, variable is x and frequency f. First you have to multiply, that is called fx. Fx meaning f into x. 3 3 are 9, 12 2 are 24, 13 1 are 30, 15 2 are 30, 16 2 are 32. See. Okay, f into x, that is fx. Total fx. First, after that you add it. This fx you add it. You will get a 99. How many frequencies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to add these 5 frequencies. You will get a 10. That is sigma f. Summation of frequency, summation of fx. You sum of fx 99. Here frequency total, that is 10. You divide it. You will get a 9.9. That is the median of this grouped data. Clear, children? Two types are there. One is ungrouped data, one is grouped data. Grouped data, they will give a variable as well as frequency. Then variable you read as x and frequency f. After that you make fx column, That means you have to multiply each f and x. After that you add fx and add f, divide it, fx divided by f. You will get a mean of that respective data. Okay, ungrouped data, straight away you can use this formula, sum of all data divided by total number of data. Formula is very important. Clear? Now we will discuss about median. What is median? Median, you want first you arrange the data in ascending or descending order. That is compulsory, ascending or descending order. First you have to arrange the data in ascending or descending. After that you have to check it how many data are there. If odd number of data, then you have to use this formula n plus 1 by 2th term. N plus 1 both having the denominator 2. Okay. If even number of observation, then you have to use half into n by 2th term plus n by 2. Here n only having the denominator 2, n by 2 plus 1th term. That is even number of data. Otherwise, simple method is observation you count it odd number, then middle one is the median. If observation is even, then average of middle values are the median. Average meaning middle two numbers are, then you added the two number and divide by 2. One example we will check it out. Find the median of the following set of numbers. See, raw data given. How many ascending? First you have to arrange the data in ascending order, that is compulsory. Number of observation is 11. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 observation. Median, odd number of observation. What is the formula? N by 2, n plus 1 by 2th observation. This one also having the denominator 2. N is 11. Put value, you will get a 6th term. You count it 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th term is 5. Answer is 5. Now next another one. Arrange the data. And how many numbers are there? 12, that is even. Then formula I already told you. This is the formula. Instead of n, you put 12. 6th term plus 7th term. 12 and 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 6th term and 7th term you count it. 6th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th term also 3. So instead of these 3 plus 3, 6. 6 divided by 2, that is 6 by 2, 3. Median is 3. Okay. Next video we will discuss easy method for median and mode.